Linguiça is a Portuguese sausage available on the West Coast, Northern Nevada, Boston, pretty sure Hawaii. You can also have it shipped to you. I wasn't able to buy it here in the South. Publix carried it up until recently. But thankfully Amazon and Whole Foods came through for me here in Florida. I'm gonna turn this into a favorite quick meal, Linguiça Dogs. It's pretty thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half and make this one into two. There we go. Here I have a frying pan with just a little bit of water to cover the bottom of it. Gonna put these in, meaty, fatty side down. Gonna let this boil to pull a lot of that fat out. There we go. Once that water and fat begins to evaporate, we just go ahead and fry as normal. Look at that beautiful golden brown color. Skin's all nice and golden. Meat's more brown than red. It's nice and brown, that's how you know it's done. Go ahead and put it on paper towels. Finish draining. That folded over. Hot dog buns, for one, can be a complete nightmare. If you have a convenience store near you that sells hot dogs, see if they'll let you buy one or two. But if you get stuck with the whole package, don't worry. I have ideas so that there's no food waste. Grab our linguiça, perfect bun length. I grew up with mustard on mine, so that's how I still do it today and how I taught my kids to do it too. And there we have it, Linguiça Dogs. If you want to do with your extra hot dog buns, go ahead and check out this video next. If it's not there yet, click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you know the instant that it drops, and I'll see you in the next one. Because cooking for one is fun, delicious, and no food waste.